This video looks at a simple way to use the PhET Circuit Construction Kit AC or Virtual Lab to show the difference between AC and DC circuits. So first of all, the students can build a DC circuit, observe how the electrons move round in it. Then they can click on the battery, reverse the polarity, and see that the electrons flow the other way, showing the current flows the other way. They can use the voltage chart, which is like an oscilloscope trace, to see that you get a constant potential difference all the time. It may be good to click on the zoom out button to make the voltage chart a little smaller. From the description, you can download a worksheet of instructions for the students to follow. Next, they can build a simple AC circuit using the AC voltage, wires and a resistor, and see, first of all, how the electrons move once they've built that circuit. And you can clearly see the electrons changing the direction they're moving in or alternating from one direction to the other, which shows that it's an alternating current which keeps changing direction. We can then add the voltage chart, which gives us the equivalent of an oscilloscope trace showing the voltage or potential difference against time. And we can see that that is alternating from positive to negative, which is why the electrons keep changing direction. If we zoom that out, we can see up to 20 volts. You can then click on the AC voltage and you can first of all adjust the frequency and see how that affects the voltage chart or oscilloscope trace that you would get. And once you've seen that effect, you can then adjust the voltage and see how that affects the shape of the oscilloscope trace or voltage chart that you'd get. Anyway, I hope that's given you some ideas to use in your physics teaching, and don't forget you can download the student instruction sheet from the description.